Hello friends, welcome to Recipes Old and New. Today we are going to make Posto Chingri, that is prawn curry with poppy seeds. It is super tasty, can be prepared easily with few ingredients. Let's get started. Take 500 grams of small sized prawn. Then make it clean by deshelling and deveining. Now marinate it with salt and turmeric powder for 15 minutes. Make a fine paste of 50 grams of poppy seeds with 3 to 4 green chillies. Add 4 tablespoons of mustard oil to a hot pan. When the oil is sufficiently hot, add 4 medium-sized finely sliced onions. Fry over medium flame until golden. Add half teaspoon of salt while frying the onions. Let's add the prawn and fry for 2 minutes. Now add half teaspoon of turmeric powder and half teaspoon of red chilli powder. Cook until the raw smell goes out. Let's add poppy seed paste. Stir for half a minute. And cover it with a lid and make the flame low. Cook for 5 minutes. Then open the lid and make the flame medium and go on stirring until the oil separates out. Let's add 5 to 6 slightly slit green chillies. Cover it with the lid and make the flame low. Cook for 2 minutes. Sprinkle 1 teaspoon of raw mustard oil . Switch off the flame and give a standing time of 5 minutes. Now serve it with a hot steamed rice. If you enjoyed the video, do share it with friends and family. Give a thumbs up. Subscribe our channel Recipes Old and New. Press the bell icon to get the notification of our new videos. Until next time, This is Recipes Old and New. Namaskar.